Buying the house was the exciting part. Now comes the paperwork, maintenance, moving chaos, and expenses nobody warned you about. But Claude AI can help you organize almost all of it, and you can start with the free version. Here are 5 practical ways new homeowners can use Claude, starting with the first week. First, use Claude to organize your move. Tell it your moving date, your general area, and whether you're moving locally or across the country. Then ask, create a week-by-week moving checklist that ends on my moving date. Claude can organize utility transfers, address changes, packing deadlines, mail forwarding, school records, and other easy-to-forget tasks. Just don't paste your complete street address unless it's actually needed. Your city, state, and moving date will usually be enough. Second, use Claude to understand your mortgage paperwork. Closing documents can make a simple payment feel incredibly confusing. Before uploading anything, remove account numbers, signatures, social security numbers, and other sensitive information. Then ask Claude to explain the document in plain English. It can help separate principal, interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and other charges shown in your paperwork. You can also ask which parts of this payment could change in the future. That can help you spot items like adjustable interest rates, changing insurance premiums, or property tax adjustments. Claude can explain the document, but always confirm important numbers with your lender or closing professional. Third, build a seasonal home maintenance calendar. Tell Claude what kind of home you bought, approximately how old it is, your general climate, and any major systems you know about. Then ask it to create a maintenance schedule for spring, summer, fall, and winter. It might remind you to replace HVAC filters, clean gutters, test smoke detectors, inspect exterior caulking, flush a water heater, or prepare outdoor plumbing for freezing weather. And here's the useful part. Ask Claude to divide everything into monthly, seasonal, and annual tasks. That turns an overwhelming list into something you can actually follow. Fourth, prepare for the expenses that don't appear in your mortgage payment. A furnace can fail. An appliance can stop working. A roof leak can show up with almost no warning. Give Claude your monthly budget and ask it to help you create a separate home repair savings category. It can help you compare several monthly savings targets and show how long each one would take to build your emergency fund. But don't treat Claude's estimate as a guaranteed prediction of future repair costs. Use it to organize the plan, then compare the numbers with local repair estimates and your own financial situation. Fifth, use Claude to understand your homeowner's insurance policy. Remove personal information from the declarations page. Then ask Claude to explain the limits, deductibles, endorsements, and exclusions in everyday language. You can also ask, what questions should I ask my insurance agent about this policy? That's important because Claude can help you understand the wording, but your insurer is the one who can confirm exactly how your coverage applies. The easiest place to start is the moving checklist. It takes only a few minutes, reduces the mental clutter, and gives you one organized plan instead of 20 unfinished notes. Which part of buying a home has been the most confusing for you? The move, mortgage, maintenance, insurance, or unexpected costs? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more practical Claude AI workflows and hit the like button so this reaches another new homeowner who could use it.